Hey Tech B fam! Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown, Pixel 9 versus Pixel 8. If you've been eyeing the new Pixel drop or wondering if it's worth upgrading from the 8, I've got all the answers for you. I've tested both, side by side, and let me tell you, the results might surprise you. Let's see what these phones bring to the table and help you decide which one's your perfect match. So let's start with the design. At first glance, both the Pixel 9 and Pixel 8 look super similar, but the Pixel 9 comes in slightly slimmer and lighter, thanks to its new aluminum frame. Holding it feels just a bit more premium. That said, the Pixel 8 still holds up with its solid build. But if you want that sleek, updated feel, the Pixel 9 definitely wins here. Now, let's talk about displays. Both are rocking OLED screens, but the Pixel 9 bumps the refresh rate to 120 Hz, making everything smoother. Scrolling, gaming, watching videos, you name it. The Pixel 8 is no slouch with its 90 Hz. But if you're looking for the ultimate smooth experience, the Pixel 9's got you covered. And trust me, you'll feel the difference. Performance-wise, we've got the Tensor G4 chip powering the Pixel 9, making it faster and more responsive than the Tensor G3 in the Pixel 8. Apps open faster, gaming feels snappier, and multitasking is a breeze. If you're into heavy usage like gaming or photo editing, the Pixel 9 is the clear choice. But if you're more of an everyday user, the Pixel 8 still holds its ground. Let's talk camera upgrades because that's where these pixels shine. The Pixel 9 brings a slight edge with improved low-light performance and enhanced AI features that give you crisper, clearer photos in any condition. But honestly, both phones are amazing for photography. The Pixel 8 is still a beast in daylight, and for most casual photography, so it's really down to whether you need that extra bit of camera magic the Pixel 9 offers. Finally, battery life. The Pixel 9 packs a bigger battery with better optimization, so you're getting more juice out of your day. If you're like me and hate constantly looking for a charger, the Pixel 9 has your back. The Pixel 8 does well too. But you might find yourself needing that midday top-up if you're a heavy user. So, should you upgrade to the Pixel 9? If you're coming from the Pixel 8, the 120Hz screen, faster chip, and camera enhancements make it a worthy upgrade. But if you're rocking a Pixel 8 and you're happy with it, there's no pressure to switch right away. Pixel 8 is still a solid performer. Either way, both are amazing phones, but if you're someone who loves the latest and greatest, the Pixel 9 is calling your name. Links to both are in the description, so go check them out. Let me know in the comments which one you're picking up. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and smash the notification bell for more tech breakdowns from your favorite Tech Bee. See you in the next one.